and good evening, and welcome to ICAD's very interesting Talk That Talk. Today, we have our fourth episode of the first season, and this topic for today is India's role in innovation in the current world. ICAD has accumulated various short but very interesting videos for its students, which are very beneficial for them now and in the long run. Today, we are presenting one of them. It has been a notion that Indians have no contribution in innovation as such. We have not developed the computers, the iPads, the smartphones, etc. However, the research by Nirmalaya Kumar brings light on the astonishing facts and strengths of Indian education system. Today, after this short video, Sarang sir will enlighten about the happenings in this field, importance of competitive exams, easy ways to become rich. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? And obviously, the ICAD results. So once again, I welcome you all to the very interesting Talk That Talk.
Guys, very good evening, and we are extremely sorry that further. There are some problems from our side, as you know. शुरुआत में you had trouble to see that because whatever the technical hitches are there. Soon the link will be shared to you again, and you see the video. In short, I just tell you the content of the video. Uh, it is the research by the Nirmal Kumar and his associates. And what exactly the research is, and this is quite interesting. Research is what is the India's role in the innovations, and they found that key majority of the companies India, United States of America, okay, and they researched R&D centers over there, and they found that the majority of the people working over there are Indians. They also seen that key heads of these Indian companies, uh, they are also Indians. So they pointed out that these are the people who are studied in United States of America, and that's why they are the people behind the innovation because they studied in the United States of America. So again, they researched what exactly it is. So they found out that these people they have studied their schooling from India. They have done their 11th and 12th from India, and then they have done graduation also from India, and in the 90s we are not having any scope as such in India. So they migrated to the United States of America for doing their master's training program. So the issue is ki whatever the schooling, whatever the graduation they have done from India, including the Google CEO Sundar Pichai. So this is the interesting story they come up with. Ki whatever the R&D centers you are setting, they are having the Indians. Your R&D heads, they are having Indians. They studied in India. Whatever the school system, whatever the graduation system, it is fantastic. They have come for their post graduation over there, and they joined your respective companies over there. So whatever the products these American companies develop, maybe the Apple, maybe Microsoft, and a number of things, companies, the Indians are having the major role over there. So if they are developing operating system, they are developing the computers and a number of things. So this is the amazing thing that they have discovered. Indians are having the major role in the innovations. Uh, American companies are outsourcing over here in India, uh, in Gurgaon, in Hyderabad, and in number of cities, and they are finding that these people, Indian people, are doing the wonderful job over there because they are filing the patent from here in India. So the innovations are happening over here. Lastly, our youngsters working in the call center, they are getting bored because of the routine job, and they are finding the innovations over there, process innovations over there. They are telling their managers how to do this job effectively as such. So Indians are having the major role in the innovations that is happening in the world. So that is the best part of it. So now this is about the similar small brief of the video as such. Uh, so after this session, we are just sending you the link. So just go through whenever you are having time. So it is just the 10 minutes video, but it is a very important video as such. Uh, Coming down to some interesting things over here, where exactly engineering is going to. See, the very first point is we have seen the engineering developing like anything, and हर बार ये होता है कि अभी तो कंप्यूटर साइंस का स्कोप खत्म हो गया, अभी इसका स्कोप कम होगा, अभी उसका स्कोप कम होगा, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Lots and lots of things are happening in the field. Major disruptions are coming up. You want to see the example? Just get one example. Uh, we have seen Gary Kasparov. We have seen विश्वनाथन आनंद फर्स्ट. जब मैं छोटा था, अपने वनी नाम की यवतमाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट के गांव में था, नागपुर से पढ़ा, फिर ट्रांसफर हो गई डैडी की वहाँ पे, मैं वहाँ गया. रेडियो पे न्यूज सुनता है कि विश्वनाथन आनंद बिकम द यंगेस्ट ग्रैंड मास्टर ऑफ इंडिया. सो इट वाज द प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस. Then Vishwanathan Anand has done extremely well, and we have seen that he is fighting for the world championship with Russia's Gary Kasparov and Anatoly Karpov. We have seen that Gary Kasparov is beating Vishwanathan Anand with in huge margin as such. So that is quite humiliating moments for us. And Gary Kasparov was awesome. He's fantastic. And our generation also seen that Gary Kasparov is being defeated by the Deep Blue, right? So Deep Blue computer has defeated Gary Kasparov. That we have also seen. So we have seen the computer defeating the world champion and superhuman as such. But this is the old news then. Then we have seen Stockfish 8, new computer as such, and Stockfish 8 defeating Deep Blue also, and it is becoming the world chess champion in computers, right, in 2016. So now the Stockfish is the champion as such. And then we have seen something amazing in 2017. Uh, there is one program that is developed by Google. Name is AlphaZero program as such. And AlphaZero program, so we had the match between AlphaZero program and the WC. Stockfish 8. So Stockfish 8 and AlphaZero program. So there is a match. There are 100 matches that are played between these two. Uh, what exactly the achievement of the Stockfish is? They are having the access to the centuries of accumulated human experience, decade of computer experience with them, and it can calculate 70 million chess positions per second. While Google's AlphaZero program can calculate only 80,000 chess positions per second. So where 70 million and where is 80,000 as such? So 100 matches are played. So what can be the result? Result is AlphaZero won 28 matches. Okay. So AlphaZero won 28 matches. That means Stockfish is again emerging as the winner with 72 matches win. No, it is not happening in that way. 28 matches AlphaZero and Stockfish 8 once didn't win a single match. All other 78 matches are drawn. They're drawn. So what exactly is happening? AlphaZero 28 matches, Stockfish 8-0. How long it will take? It took for the Google developers to develop the AlphaZero program as such? Decade? 2 decades? No. just 4 hours. What exactly the AlphaZero program is? Only 4 घंटे में जो develop हुआ है, what exactly it is there? It is developing the latest machine learning principle to self-learn chess by playing against itself. उसको यही बताया गया, 4 घंटे में उसको डेवलप किया गया, उसको ये बताया गया अब तो खुद के साथ खेल और अपना इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप कर. And he started playing that, and he started developing his own intelligence. So in just 4 hours, they developed the program, right, from scratch to the intelligence, towards the intelligence. These developers who develop this AlphaZero program, they don't know the chess strategy. Not even standard opening moves. कुछ भी नहीं आता था उनको. स्टैंडर्ड ओपनिंग मूव्स नहीं आती थी, चेस स्ट्रेटेजीज नहीं आती थी, शायद घोड़ा 2.5 घर चलता है इतना ही आता था. So they'll develop this program, ask the program to play against itself and develop itself. And result is amazing. So what exactly is happening? हमने देखा कि स्मार्टफोन ने कैसे, once the smartphone is in, Nokia is out. Disruption is happening. एक 4 घंटे के प्रोग्राम ने स्टॉकफिश 8 को आउटडेटेड कर दिया. So where exactly the engineer is going? It is the artificial intelligence is coming up. It is the machine learning is coming up, and it is coming in a big way. फास्ट सब चीजें आउटडेटेड हो जाएंगी ना. अपने एजुकेशन में भी we'll see that कि machine learning is coming and the artificial intelligence is coming up. We'll try to save ourselves like anything, लेकिन we'll see that कि unless and until we ourselves also अगर हमने adopt नहीं किया वो technology, then we are also gone. But this is opening the amazing avenues as such for you people. Next 25 years are going to be ruled by information technology and biotechnology. So whenever you are thinking of the career as such, right, you think the career in that direction. अभी भी हम देख रहे हैं कि जिसका 2 या 3 साल का आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में एक्सपीरियंस है, he is earning like anything. And now the sky is the limit because we are going to see the lots of changes in this world through artificial intelligence and machine learning and big data as such. Secondly, what exactly I'm coming to you is बहुत बार ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि why not polytechnic, then engineering? Why not 11th, 12th plain, then MSc, TCT, and then engineering? Right? There are many shortcuts are available to go for the engineering, right? And you guys have joined this program, and this is the quite tougher program as such. And it costs 2 years. Now, is it worth? Okay. So I should tell you some examples over here. We hired some interns this year. We had approximately 24 interns. And I hired 8 interns from VNIT. And they worked on some project wherein they researched 4,000 edutech companies as such. 4,000. Okay, in 1 month. They researched 4,000, they shortlisted 600, they shortlisted 80 again, and they have gone for the in-depth research over there. Why they have gone for the in-depth research? Because we want to know what exactly is happening in the field. And what can we bring in our ICAD, right, in these next 2 to 3 years as such, right? So they have done it. And I should tell you, These 8 people have done wonders. 1 महीने में इतना काम कर लिया. लेकिन अगर मैं ये बात बताऊं कि मैं अगर शायद कोई हमने जो दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट दिया था तो जिसमें बाकी लोग थे, वो प्रोजेक्ट बहुत स्लो चला और अभी भी चल रहा है. So I tell you one thing, कि these guys are amazing when they are going through the JEE training program as such. एक JEE ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का बंदा, उसको कोई NIT IIT में एडमिशन नहीं मिला, he got admission in Kolhapur. And what exactly we are finding that his dad came to me कि उसकी छोटे सिस्टर के एडमिशन के लिए आए, उन्होंने अकेड हनुमान नगर में एडमिशन लिया, तो उन्होंने बताया कि कोल्हापुर में वो टॉप कर रहा है। ओके, उसने उसको NIT में एडमिशन नहीं मिला, उसको IIT में एडमिशन नहीं मिला, उसको कोल्हापुर में एडमिशन मिला, तो यू कैन सी दैट कि उसका स्कोर कम आया होगा, बट ही इज टॉपिंग ओवर देयर। मंथन देशपांडे जो अमरावती का लड़का है, जो JEE के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के थ्रू गया, और जहां पुणे में उसने एडमिशन लिया, तो पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी में ही इज द सेकंड टॉपर ओवर देयर। These people who are going to the JEE training program, they are developing habits like anything, good habits like anything. They are developing the habits of solving, consistently solving. रोज काम किया तो उनको चैन नहीं पड़ता है, right? And they are having the कोई बड़ा बुक भी आ गया तो उनको कोई उससे डर नहीं लगता है कि वो बड़ा बुक आ गया तो हाँ ठीक है, वो आर हैबिचुअल टू इट। नहीं तो पहले के इंजीनियर या दूसरे स्ट्रीम से जैसे इंजीनियरिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं, 11-12 करके MSc इंजीनियरिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं और बड़ा बुक देख रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले ये सोच रहे हैं भैया अब ट्यूशन कहाँ लगानी है। बट these guys are not getting into that. They find that engineering is quite easy, and एक स्पार्क जो डेवलप होता है ये लड़कों में, IITs, NITs, गवर्नमेंट में जाओ, टॉप प्राइवेट में जाओ, लेकिन ये जो स्पार्क डेवलप होता है, इट इज गोइंग विद टू बी विद देम फॉर द लाइफ टाइम एज सच। तो कभी भी जैसे अमरावती जा रहा था, तो अमरावती जाते जाते एक टेक्सटाइल पार्क पड़ता है, तो मैं वहां गया कुछ कपड़े खरीदने, तो उसके मालिक को जैसे ही पता चला, इज द यंग चैप एज सच, तो उसको जैसे ही पता चला कि सारंग सर और आईकेट से, तो उन्होंने बोला कि सर वो एक बात बताता हूँ, आपके लड़के में, आपके लड़कों में, आईकेट के लड़कों में और बाकी लड़कों में जब दोनों को साथ में मिलते हैं तो जमीन आसमान का फर्क दिखता है। पता नहीं आप लोग क्या कराते हो, ओके, कि जो उनमें स्पार्क नजर आता है आईकेट के बच्चों में, हम नहीं कराते। एक पॉलिसी बनी है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, जेई उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, और जेई का कुरिकुलम इतना सुंदर उन्होंने रखा है कि हम उसको अगर ट्रेन कर रहे हैं तो वो बच्चा उस हिसाब से डेवलप हो रहा है। सो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट कि क्रेडिट गोज टू द गवर्नमेंट, इट इज गोज टू द पॉलिसी मेकर्स, जिन्होंने ये सब चीजें इंट्रोड्यूस की है और हमारे जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स बच्चों को उसमें बना रहे हैं। And what exactly we are trying from our side is give 100% from your side. So guys, you are doing the fantastic course as such. Okay, so just give your full involvement. बस नहीं जम रहा है 6 स्टेज तो 4-5 तक जाइए, but give your full involvement over there. Next thing is education. आजकल जब हम सब फ्रेंड्स डिस्कस करते हैं तो प्रोमिनेंटली एक चीज डिस्कस जरूर होती है, हाउ टू बिकम रिच। अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन है तो हमारा सिंपल आंसर है, एजुकेशन टुडे, एजुकेशन इज द easiest way to become rich. Again I repeat, education is the easiest way to become rich. How? तो अभी बताने की क्या है कि पहले we used to see that धीरूभाई अंबानी एंड दिस एंड दैट, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स आते थे, तो फिर क्या अपन वही पकड़ के बैठेंगे? धीरूभाई अंबानी वो जमाने में एंटरप्रेन्योर बने जब लाइसेंस राज था, वो जमाने में एंटर बने जब कपड़े की दुकान, किराना दुकान वाले रिच थे। जनरेशंस आर चेंजिंग, तब वो रिच थे, आज कौन रिच? सो द रिचेस्ट पीपल आर फ्रॉम द एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड। सरजी बिन, लैरी पेज, बिल गेट्स, मार्क, these are the richest businessmen from education background. Then go for any job, you are finding that in a office there is a person who is earning 4 lakh rupees per month, and then there is a person who is earning 10,000 rupees per month. The difference between these two is he is highly educated. So the very first thing, if you think that कि एजुकेशन कैसे तो भी कर लेते हैं, बाद में कुछ तो भी मिरेकल हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा, पहले ही बता देता हूँ, कोई मिरेकल नहीं होने वाला है. तो जो एजुकेशन जो आप आज ले रहे हो, अभी भी अपने पास 11th में होंगे, आप लोग 12th में होंगे, 8th में होंगे, 9th में होंगे, 10th में होंगे, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि अभी जितना जबरदस्त मेहनत कर लूंगा, लाइफ जबरदस्त रहेगी. स्पार्ट डेवलप अभी करना है. And guys, it's time now to tell you some result over here, ICAT. This year, ICAT has done extremely well. हर एग्जाम्स में आईकेडियंस टॉप में रहे, नंबर्स बहुत ज्यादा रहे. थोड़ा आखिरी का छोटा सा पैच हमारा रफ पैच रहा, लेकिन ओवरऑल द ईयर इज फैंटास्टिक. केवीपीवाई, देयर आर 11 कैंडिडेट्स जो फाइनल केवीपीवाई क्वालिफाई. इनिशियल के लिए केवीपीवाई 14 कैंडिडेट्स क्वालिफाई है, और फाइनली 11 कैंडिडेट्स क्वालिफाइड केवीपीवाई. एंड उसमें आर्यन हिंगवे जो विदर्भ का मेंस में टॉपर रह चुका है फर्स्ट फेज में, he got all India rank 60. Srinab Agrawal got all India rank 136. Anuj got all India rank 262. Prasad Kukre 501 and Indrani Tade 520. Indrani also stood Maharashtra state topper in JEE Mains in girls. And we got 10 students in top 1000 in KVPY as such. So this is the very fantastic result over here. RMO, only ICADians qualified in Regional Mathematics Olympiad. So there are 6 people who qualified Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Is Anushka Tukkari, then Atharv, then Indrani Tade, then Raghav Sapre, Subhajit Ghoshal, and Soham Dhane. So guys, this is the RMO result. Then we have the JEE Main result as such. JEE Main again, Aryan Hingwe first phase mein he was the winner first. Anuj Kakade first phase mein OBC first, and Indrani Tade in girls, she stood first in Vidarbha. Then we are having the in second phase we are having the Indrani as the Maharashtra state topper among the girls. In advance, we are done fairly well, but unfortunately, we could not do well over there. As far as the top 100 is concerned, our 5 students got into first for 1500. Our 70 students, more than 70 students qualified JEE Advanced, and as I told you, we could not get into the top 100 this year. The reason is quite simple. Our toppers were interested in ISC Bangalore. So as soon as they got into the ISC Bangalore, they stopped their studies for JEE Advanced. Otherwise, if they have studied for the JEE Advanced for the 3 months, they would have been definitely among the top 100. But this year, we missed that. So better accept it. But okay, it happens. Next year, I assure all of you to expect the top 100 from us. Maybe the 1, maybe the 2. Okay, and you may expect the most of the students getting into top 500 and top 1000 from us. Target from all of for all of you is we are targeting more than 500 students to qualify JEE Main, and this is the first time if it happens. This will be the first time we are crossing 500 mark in JEE Main. This year we crossed 500 400, and next year we are targeting 500 to 600 as such. So obviously, you should make it, right? So 21 batch, all the best for you. News from ICAT side is 12 prominent faculties of ICAT in physics, chemistry, and mathematics section, and all are awesome. They are they have developed the awesome study materials for advanced in this pandemic, and it is getting implemented for 2021 batch soon. Okay, so let's see. Let's hope that we'll get the Olympiad people, we will get the QPUI and the top 100 rank in the coming year 2021. And to conclude, I am again sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, for the today's session that you have missed. And there is some technical hitches, there is some copyright issues, which we didn't know. सब कुछ पता नहीं रहता है और तो जब तो होप कि हम ये अगली बार ऐसा कोई इशू ना हो. So teething problem रहते हैं, तो this is the one of the teething problem that we face today. So I'm extremely sorry for that. And guys, I hope मेरे सेशन में कुछ इंसाइट दिया होगा. So whatever the Alpha Zero program I talked about on Google, where exactly the engineering is going. What about the competitive examination? It is the best way to become intelligent as such and develop the spark over here. So you are in a very perfect path, right, guys? And just have the complete faith on it, right? And don't expect miracles after your graduation or something like that. Miracle is going to happen if you work consistently daily over here. And lastly, education is the easiest way to become rich, right? So I do see that key. I'm one of the if I see that key, I'm one of the rich guy. Okay, so I should tell you that key, I started with the capital of 10,000 rupees only. Okay, so I started it in 1999. Okay, so whenever the rich guys I'm seeing now around, तो मुझे ये दिखता है कि या तो इनके ancestral के बाद बहुत पैसा था. ओके, या तो फिर वो ये जो अगर नए हैं तो ये एजुकेटेड लोग हैं. So guys, make the best of your education now. So that's all from me. And again, we will discuss what exactly is it, what exactly you like, and what important as such. We will discuss 2 or 3 very important incidences like how to achieve peak in a very simple way. Okay, so that's all from me now, guys. And thank you very much.